If you want to add a little extra to your food videos, I have a couple tips for you. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. A little different episode today, but when I posted my behind the scenes video of how I set up the Silly Kitchen videos and do some of my videoing and photography of the food that I produce in the Silly Kitchen, I had a lot of people comment on these little cool wheels that I have for my DSLR. And I absolutely love these wheels. And I did mention in that video that I didn't think it was the perfect setup because the little attachment that I bought for it doesn't really hold my camera steady if I want to adjust the levels. But irrelevant of that, I love the wheel part. That's how I get these slow, really stable, nice shots of the final product that I'm putting out. Any kind of, plating that I have, I kind of usually give this a quick little whirl. Actually, not a quick whirl, a slow whirl, because it looks really good when you pan it slowly across whatever item you're filming. But hey, not everybody has these wheels, and maybe you don't want to spend the money on buying them, and maybe you're like, I don't know about that. Let me tell you a quick little trick here. I know most department stores have a Lazy Susan, probably for under 20 bucks, maybe even like 10 bucks. Or you might even already have one of these at home. I honestly use this when I play Scrabble, so you can turn the board around easily because I have the old Scrabble. But if you put your plate or whatever your dish is on your Lazy Susan and set up your camera on a tripod or your cell phone on a little stand or however it is that you do your filming, then put your plate on a Lazy Susan and just give it a slow turn. And you'll have that nice kind of panning shot in a very different way. It doesn't look exactly the same. If I compare right now the shot that I took of this salad with my wheels versus now looking at it on the Lazy Susan, it does look different, but it still adds motion to your food video. It still gives that nice, slow, sexy food shot at your, kind of at the end, at the final product of what you're doing. And you're not doing extra editing. You're not focusing on any kind of extra filming. You're just simply using a little bit of a tool, if you don't have wheels, to give your food some motion. I hope this tip helps you. If you use it, I'd love to see it in your videos, and come back for some more tips and tricks and recipes on the Silly Kitchen. Till next time.